Hello students, let's welcome to the Let's Explore Learning Together. So today we will learn about the topic regeneration in the vertebrates. First we will study what is the definition of regeneration. The natural ability of the living organisms to replace, repair, or restore a lost or damaged part of the body or reform the entire body from a small fragment during the post embryonic phase is called regeneration. This regeneration was first discovered by Tremblay in 1740 in the organisms, that is Hydra. Okay, there are different types of regeneration we will study. In that we will study four important regeneration. The first important regeneration is epimorphosis, second one is morphollaxis, and third one is budding, and fourth one is compensatory regeneration. Let us study one by one. The first one is epimorphosis type of regeneration. See, this regeneration occurs by proliferation and redifferentiation of existing cells only at the site of injury. Okay, where the regeneration occurs by proliferation and redifferentiation of existing cells at the site of injury, and this process involves mainly epimorphosis involves the process of blastema formation. Okay, at first blastema formation occurs, then mass of undifferentiated cells forms, then they cell differentiated into various type of cells which are needed for the tissue repair. Okay, now let us study the second type of. It is seen in the amphibians, planarians, and in certain vertebrates. Okay, it is seen in amphibians, planarians, and in certain vertebrates, and this regeneration occurs in appendages of an arthropod, arm in a starfish, limb in salamander, tail in the lizard. Okay, so here the regeneration occurs where appendages of an arthropod, arm in a starfish, limb in salamander, tail in the lizard. Let us move on to the second type of regeneration, that is called as morphollaxis. The morphollaxis is a form of regeneration where existing tissues are remodeled, okay, or rearranged to replace lost structures. Here the existing cells only undergo remodeling or rearrangement to form the lost structures. Unlike epimorphosis, morphollaxis does not involve the formation of blastema. In epimorphosis, we observed the formation of the blastema. Here, we does not see the formation of blastema or proliferation of undifferentiated cells. The regeneration occurs through the reorganization and remodeling of existing tissues to restore the original form and function. The regenerated organisms are smaller than the original one. The organisms which are regenerated, they are smaller than the original one after the completion of the regeneration process, but later it grows to attain the normal size. It is observed in organisms like Hydra and also in some flatworms. It occurs where complex structure can be regenerated without the need for extensive cell proliferation. The third type of regeneration is budding. Okay, the third type of regeneration is budding type of regeneration. The first type is the third type of regeneration is budding type of regeneration. This type of regeneration where new individual form as outgrowth. How? By forming a outgrowth or buds from the body of the parent organisms. The bud, whatever the outgrowth of the bud are formed, they develops into independent organisms either through asexual reproduction or detaching from the parent organisms. It is observed in the organisms. Commonly we know that it is observed in the hydra, corals, and some sponges. Then the fourth one is compensatory regeneration. The compensatory regeneration means the ability of the organisms to replace the lost or damaged tissue without the formation of blastema. Here also the blastema will not form. This type of occurs in tissues with high degree of cell turnover. Where high degree of cell turnover occurs, no, there this compensatory type of regeneration occurs, such as like which type? In liver, skin and intestinal epithelium, where the loss and regeneration occurs repeatedly. Now the existing cells, the cells which are existing there only